Be very careful with this area. There are a lot of lymphatic vessels. With my hands, I find triggers, I find coalescence zones. Patients kick. Do not stand in the direction of the impact. After childbirth, there is a 60–70% chance that there will be problems. Michael, come on, I'll show you how I work, how it really looks. Here we have the back of the thigh. Again, unfortunately, the camera does not capture all the variety of what I do. With my hands I find triggers, I find coalescence zones, I find swelling zones. Here we have a wonderful, by the way, inner knee. See what a beauty. See how uneven the tissue is. How incomplete it is here. That means here we have a metabolic disorder. Again, direction of the move. There are many reasons why I'm doing it down. There are many reasons why I'm doing it up. We do not pay attention to this theme in this video. Let's roll over to the other flank. Usually, the iliotibial tract is displaced forward. It is usually displaced forward due to the fact that it is being pulled forward by the muscles that contract the fascia lata of the thigh. These are two muscles that act this way. The buttocks usually don't finalize their work, so the iliotibial tract is displaced forward. Firstly, it is not good for biomechanics. Secondly, it is not good from the visual point of view because saddlebags appear which are displaced forward. If it is pushed back, it looks like a more rounded hind thigh and it looks aesthetically pleasing. Therefore, our task is to move the iliotibial tract back. We can do this with our forearm. We can do this with our elbow to some extent. Everything is shown very briefly. There are lots of details. There are dangers. This is not an instructional video. This video is filmed for the informational purposes. The work on the front of the thigh. The heads of the quadriceps muscle tend to grow together, so it is important to distinguish them from each other, to know where which head is located in order to be able to disconnect them. I remember that the condition of the quadriceps muscle is very often associated with the condition of the costal arches and the condition of the clavicle. For those who don't know why, check out our force lines course. It is important. Without this, you cannot be considered a quality specialist. Now the next task is to turn the hip and we will be happy. Well, accordingly, there are methods of working on the stomach, but this is a separate big song. How to work with the subcutaneous fat tissue in the abdomen, how to work with the navel, how to work with the costal arches. This is a separate big song. Stanislav Chernog, the author and the founder of the Vector Massage School, was with you. Press the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow our new videos. Write your comments how interesting this format is to you. Until we meet again, friends, on our channel where we learn to do massage in any direction no matter what we choose, aesthetics or health, and earn good money with our skills. Until next time, friends, goodbye.